Let's get the NavBar component from Bootstrap and start to use it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Bootstrap and search for NavBar here like I did earlier and go with this option. And here you can see you will get a lot of option. One is this one, another is this kind of NavBar, and you can also get something like this or something like this. You can take whatever option you want. So I'm going to for now just go with this option, which is the first one. So copy this as is and go to your navbar component, and here just go ahead and paste it as is. Control S. So as soon as you do this, you will see some problems encountering, because remember we mentioned that here class is a keyword, so you cannot use class. So if I go here in my, so I will see a lot of errors and problems. First thing is it says that this tag is not closed. Yeah, because we have to close every tag, self close every tag, because we are using React and it follows JSX, which is JavaScript XML, and XML has a strict syntax checking for opening and closing tag. Hence, this tag doesn't have a closing tag. That's why it's complaining. So what we have to do is go and first fix this. So if I go here and I'm going to just self close this one for now. Same I will do with the input tag as well. So if I go and check there is no error here anymore, and if I go here, so there's no error here as well. But then if I go and check the console, I will see definitely some warnings, which it is saying that the class, it does not mean, it does not identify class, did you mean class name? And also ignore about this warning that says react route dom dot render is no longer available, because we are not using this feature, so we can ignore this warning. And this is for more obsolete or old React version, but we are using latest React version, so we don't have to worry. So now we have to fix this part. So how we will do that? It's very simple. Go to your editor, and then in the editor what we can do is just search for class, control C, control F, and then click on this one. Just put search for class equal to, and then replace with class name equal to. Click on this icon, which will say replace all. So now in one shot everything will be replaced. So if we go now to our browser console, remove this old one and refresh the page, we will not see that class name issue anymore. Perfect. So this looks great, and we have basically integrated the Bootstrap menu with us. So in now we can do some customization also. So we can do that.